Yes, finally, it's working. So our tool here has successfully updated this Hello Jenny.txt, and I've spent a lot of time trying to figure out what's going on. And my laptop is just using CPU inference. Is it how it's called being called? So it's just using CPU because I don't have any GPU here, and that's why it takes a lot of time executing a command. So previously, I'm using Quinn 2.5 because I thought that, uh, to be specific, Quinn 2.5 coder 7B, because I thought that this is going to be the best installable in my local machine that can do better coding work. And fortunately, it's not giving us, and it's not working, it's not cooperating with Ollama. So um, I switched back to Llama 3.23b, and we have a very nice. Previously, it's just using the text here is "Hello Kerberos, fam," and now it updated it to Julius, hello everyone. And let's try to update it again. Remove the remove the clear the content inside hello genie.txt. Replace it, replace with with 100 years of solitude. Solitude is cool. Fernanda, young Fernanda is pretty. Okay, so let's see if it can update this thing here. And it might take a while, so it might take, I believe, 10 minutes. So we'll have to wait 10 minutes, and we don't have anything to do. So let's just continue reading our. Well, there's a lot of things that needs to be read in agent framework. So an agent framework agent combines an agent abstraction, a model or remote agent connection, instructions, tools, middleware, context providers, and state and session state behind a consistent run interface. Runtime and execution. Agent running agents explains regular and streaming runs, run options, responses, messages, and content. So running agents explains regular and streaming runs, run options, responses, messages, and content. Agent pipeline explains how middleware, context providers, model invocation, and tools participate in a run. Okay, let's read those things. Running agents. Running agents. The base agent abstraction exposes various options for running the agent. Callers can choose to supply 0, 1, or many input messages. Callers can also choose between streaming and non-streaming. Let's dig into the different usage scenarios. Streaming and non-streaming. Microsoft Agent Framework supports both streaming and non-streaming methods for running an agent. For non-streaming, use the run async method. Non-streaming, okay. For streaming, use the run stream async method. Okay. Run agent options. The base agent abstraction does allow passing an options object for each agent run. However, the ability to or customize a run at the abstraction level is quite limited. Agents can vary significantly, and therefore there aren't really common customization options. The base agent abstraction does allow passing an options object for each agent run. However, the ability to customize a run at the abstraction level is quite limited. Agents can vary significantly, and therefore there aren't really common. Oops, sis. Yes, okay, the moment of truth. So let's see if it will override. So let's go back again. The base agent abstraction does allow passing an options object for each agent run. However, the ability to customize a run at the abstraction level is quite limited. Agents can vary significantly, and therefore there aren't really common customization options. For cases where the caller knows the type of the agent they are working with, for cases where the caller knows the type of the agent they are working with, it is possible to pass specific options to allow customizing the run. For example, here the agent is a chat client agent, and it is possible to pass a chat client agent run options object that inherits from agent run options. This allows the caller to provide custom chat options that are merged with agent level options before passing before being passed to the iChat client that the chat client agent is built on. Oh man, I'm so sleepy. Tools. AI function factory. So does it have AI function factory? Let's go to the factory, AI options factory. Ah yeah, so it will always be AI functions factory for creating tools. Anyway, let's go back. Oh, there you go, it's done. There you go. It's finished. All right, cool. It's working, guys. How about if I wanted to? Anyway, so this is already working, and I believe it will be the same concept if you were going to create a coding agent like we are going to have the same capability of Cloud Code but without the human intervention, so that we can have this autonomously be run in an EKS pod or an agent core somewhere in AWS or an EKS. And that's it. Good thing. Ciao, 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 ciao.